Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Flow with Charlene. I am a yoga teacher with my 200-hour yoga certification. I am a creator and someone who truly believes that you don't need to fix yourself to be whole. You just need to come back to yourself. This channel is your space to move with intention, to breathe with presence, and reconnect with your body in a way that feels kind and empowering. If you're looking for some gentle guidance, some strength, grace, and some real life along the way, then you're in the right place. And if you want more of how I live this lifestyle off of my mat, you should check out my other channel, Charlene Town, where I share healthy habits, mindset shifts, and healthy whole foods recipes to help you live a life that you actually love living. I can't wait to support you there too. I am so excited that you're here, and I just want to give you a little disclaimer and a reminder that you don't need to have a yoga mat, you don't need to have the perfect workout set, you don't need to have the quote perfect body on this channel. I want you to show up as you are every single day. We are so different every single day we show up to our mat, and I want you to honor yourself every time you take that time for yourself and show up to your mat. I'm so excited to start this journey with you, so let's dive in.